Morning cactus people. Today we've got an unboxing to do, which is an absolutely huge box. I don't think I've had one this big before. As you should do, I checked with the viewer that sent this to us to make sure it was the right parcel, because I don't know if any of you followed Cactus Caffeine. She opened a box yesterday and it was the wrong parcel. It was from somebody else. So I checked to make sure this was our viewer's parcel, which is Just Fades, our viewer. Thank you very much, Just. It's excellent of you to send this. And also, if you get any parcels in the post that you're not expecting and they haven't got a return address label, then probably best just throw them straight in the bin, because there are people out there with mental issues. Beware. Anyway, today we're opening this, and I've just noticed that it's actually been opened already, which looks like it has been sliced along here, and this wasn't me. So maybe we've got some sort of internal customs service going on now, because this only came from halfway up the country and not abroad. So somebody's had a look at this, which is a bit disturbing, isn't it? Probably something I said on YouTube that the AI didn't like. But anyway, with no further ado, we take out the lovely amounts of packaging in here. And Just said she was sending us a mammillaria and something else. So, there's something big here. Ooh, trying to get out. It's a pot. Ooh, very well packaged. Thank you, Just. I've been calling our viewer Just for years, and I'm really not sure why that's her screen name. I haven't even asked her yet. I ought to. Oh, this looks like a nice pot. It's like Christmas. Ooh. And it's so well packaged that I can't even get into it. Excellent. There we go. Put these bits down here. That's sellotaped on, so I'll just run a knife up there, keeping the blade away from the pot. Put the glasses on for this bit. Ooh. Really, look at that. There's a lovely mammillaria. I won't take all the packaging off now, because it looks like it needs a bit of work there. It's very woolly. First glance, I thought it was a Gemini Spina. And looking at the spines, yeah, it could well be. There's two twin spines coming out from each oriole. So that could be a mammillaria Gemini Spina. We'll look at it closely later on. Thank you very much, Just. Excellent. Leave him there and see if there's something else in here. Oh, no, I bet it's all packaged now. Look carefully, because I did read a review where someone was complaining that they hadn't received all the cacti that they'd ordered, and the seller had replied, "I'm sorry, but it's really not my fault if you threw it away with the packaging." There's something in here, alright, but it's a smaller one. Ooh, it's getting exciting. And again, I think I better use the knife on this. Some excellent packaging here, which goes to show whoever opened the package didn't actually inspect any further to see what it was actually in here, which is very odd indeed. I once sent someone some chocolate in the post, and they got the empty wrapper, and the packing for the chocolate had been neatly sliced through, and the chocolate had been taken out, and then they resealed the package and sent it on. I don't know what all that was about. Oh, this don't think this is a cactus at all. This looks like a euphorbia. I'm only just getting a few collections of those. That looks lovely, thank you very much. So I'll have to ask other people what that one is, because I'm not very up on euphorbias. And, be surprised if there's anything else, but I'd just better check. I think we're all packaging now, but you never know, so check very carefully. Yeah, that was it. So not that I needed anything else, that was absolutely super. So, right, what I'll do is I'll clean these up and get the packaging off and dust it off and that, and then I'll put some close shots up at the end of the video. So thank you very much, Just. That was a lovely surprise, and I hope you enjoyed the little parcel I sent to you as well. So, thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.